everybody, this is Monami Frost. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm here to do a get ready with me makeup tutorial, chatty makeup tutorial kind of. And yeah, I'm doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup because I love how red looks and I wanted to do a red makeup. And I was like, I have to film. It's been such a long time since I filmed a makeup tutorial because life's been busy with the baby and the businesses and everything. So I haven't gotten to filming a makeup look, and I really want to get into filming more makeup because I love makeup. It's so fun, and I get to talk to you guys as well while doing it. So let's do this. So lately what I've been doing with my face, since my skin is really great, and for the longest time, like, I go for long periods without wearing any foundation because I feel like I don't maybe need it. Don't want to make it feel kind of heavy, and I've been only using really concealer, and that's pretty much it. So I'll start with that. That's the first step to go in. So for concealer, I use this Ilamasca. I'm not sure how to call it. Skin-based concealer pen. The shade is in L2. I just dab it under my eyes mostly, all with my fingers. My fingers are always, before doing makeup, of course, and always, are clean. And then I apply as well a little bit of concealer under my nose, around my nose. These are the places where I experience some redness. Next up, what I do after the concealer, I go in with some contouring. I've been using this Shade and Light contour palette for the longest time. And I just use my hands, my fingers again. I found this like really easy to just do it with my fingers, just because, like, honestly, mom life on top of business and everything is so much to keep up. I put it around my, like, obviously my forehead, on my cheeks, and shape my nose with it a little bit too. I think it's the best way to be precise with your finger. I used to do it with my brushes. Every time I would get a different result, kind of contour under my nose. Also add a little contour here, kind of get the tip of my nose to stand out. There might be people watching and thinking, what in the world are you doing? But this works for me, and it is quite fast, so that's the best. Next up, I go in with the highlight. I'm using this Melt Cosmetics highlighter, shade Stargazer. Let me try and take a brush. Put with my finger on the tip of my nose, inner corners of my eyes. What's been going on with me and just in general how I'm feeling, like, it's just like been really busy, obviously. I don't know if you keep up with the Instagram and everything and what I post. Like, we've been opening up a location in Manchester for Frost Burgers. That took like crazy amount of time, like hiring people and getting all the equipment sorted out and all the paperwork and things like that. And now just having another place takes up so much time, but I'm so glad I have like amazing couple people that help me manage it and navigate all things and everything, which I couldn't be able to do without them. Shout out to like my one of my best friends, Chris and Aris. Like, they've been like amazing. Next up, Melt Blush. This is so cute. Digital Dust Duo Blush. These beautiful shades. Just a little bit on my cheeks and here, and a little bit on my nose. Gabby taught me this trick. She said, like, in anime they do that, like add blush on the nose, and I thought it looked really cute. So yeah, it's been crazy. Like, I've been obviously super busy as well, like designing clothing for the Frostwear, and it's taking up so much time. When I started doing all of those things, like, it all just slowly built up, and now like it's just going full speed almost, and it seems crazy. how much is happening, and trying to keep up takes a lot of time. Recently as well, we launched kind of Valentine's Day themed clothing, like a collection at Frostwear, and I absolutely love it so much, and I was so excited. I've been like working on it for months and months and months since last year, and I remember picturing it, how it will look, and it's just like more than I could imagine. So now onto the eyebrows. Like kind of the face base is done, but then I'm doing the eyebrows now. Going in with a KVD Brow Struck dark brown powder and like KVD brush. Since I now have lighter hair, I don't go full blown black eyebrows, and I'm trying to make them a little bit lighter. Sometimes I go with lighter brows, but I still like to have them on the darker side, not like blonde brows, because I like the definition and I like my brows. So yeah, with the clothing, it's been going crazy, and I've been like so busy as well, like designing a bunch of stuff for this year, like since like, I don't know, December and stuff. And before even that, like obviously Neo was smaller, she's getting a little bit bigger, but it still doesn't mean that like there's much time, because I kind of feel like it's in a way getting easier, but also in a way getting a little bit harder, because she's on the move constantly. She's like crazy, like she's climbing places. It's just scary sometimes. So I'll take the KVD Super Brow like pomade in walnut and neaten up ends of the brows and underneath the brows. I think as well why I like darker brows is because when I do like my eye look, I like to obviously use eyeliner. It then looks like my eyebrows are too light and the look looks that kind of strange on me, I think, like obviously. Eyebrows are actually looking really nice today. So plan for my eyes is going red, red, red. What I like to use as a base for any eye look is one of the KVD Super Brow. They keep the eyeshadow on the lid. So I'm going in again with my fingers. It's gonna be freaking hard to get it off, but look at that beautiful red, red, red. Going in all over my lid. What's else been going on is that my back has been killing me. Since like, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that like I kind of sprained my back or pulled my back, but what I recently have figured out and realized is that I actually have a slipped disc or something like that, and it has been making my back really bad. My back has been on and off feeling bad, and it's hard to like try and rest when I have like a gazillion things to do and I have kids, especially like with Neo. Like she constantly wants me to pick her up, but I try not to lift her. My husband is like, stop, don't lift her, don't. And so we've been trying that. I'm trying not to lift her, but it's super hard because I want to pick her up and like hold her and stuff. So we've been just like hanging on the like sofa. We've been just hanging out on the sofa and nursing like that. And honestly, I still sometimes pick her up because like can't avoid that really. Use this small brush to get to the inner corners. So yeah, it's been kind of hard, and it's been hard to keep up everything, and it's kind of bothering me, but I've been trying to do like some exercises, kind of like stretches more. I'm not doing like any crazy exercise. I'm so scared now doing anything. So I'm just like trying to rest as much as I can. It's not easy. I will use this Nabla Cosmetics glitter. This is like, I love Nabla Cosmetics glitter palette, and I'll use this red on top of my red here, taking it with my finger as I do, obviously. I put it on, I slap it on. A lot of glitter. looks freaking awesome. Putting it more towards the inner corner of my eye. I want to try and add some red underneath with this same brush that I had. Yeah, I'm loving how this is turning out. I look like a red panda, but I love it. Yeah, it's just too much to handle. Back pain, everything. Sometimes I cry. Sometimes I cry and have like anxiety attacks and everything from all the overwhelmingness of everything. But it's okay. We all have our own like problems and things. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll add some mascara. No, actually I'll go in with some eyeliner. And the eyeliner I'm using is the KVD Dagger Tattoo Liner. This is just mostly the stuff that I have and that I've had sent to me and stuff. So I'm like making the use out of it, you know? Start with the one. Try not to go too thick with wings because I still want to see that beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow. Sharpen that wing. Yeah, oh god, I'm loving this. Like, I've been so excited to film a makeup look again because every time I film, I think I like try extra hard to make the look feel nicer and I feel so much better and they're excited about it. So I'm so glad I'm back. Next up is mascara and I'm using that Go Big or Go Home mascara. And let's put some mascara on those lashes. Obviously need to add some on the bottom lashes. Got some eyelash glue. I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue. I'm going to be using some eyelashes that I have worn already before and I don't know which ones are they. Lips are so dry, like, and I keep biting them and keep picking them. And I keep like losing my lip balms all the time and like Neo keeps like picking them, the lip balms, and then I'm like, no more lip balms for me and my lips are even drier. So much love for this look. Do you think I should add the hearts underneath my eyes? Do you? I'll do the hearts. They used to be kind of a signature for me for a long time. So let me try to mark it so it's in the same spot. Using the KVD Everlasting Lip Pencil. Smudging them out a bit. I'm done for the hearts and I kind of smudged them a little bit out. So I smudged them down so they're kind of down a bit and I really like this look so freaking much. I don't know what to do with my lips. Should I go simple or should I go red? I'll use this. I might just use this red by Melt Cosmetics. This is the shade Death Cherry, but I think I want to mix it with the Everlasting Lip Liner. So I'll just line my lips real quick. So what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Our Valentine's Days are always super chill, just like any other day because me and my husband love each other every day of the year, not just on Valentine's Day. Obviously it's fun and special to do something, but for us the most special thing is just chilling and maybe ordering some food or working. I'm gonna fill it in a little bit, and then I'll go in with the Death Cherry lipstick. First I thought it was gonna be quite dark, but I think it just matches perfectly. So this is it, guys. This is the final look. I can't believe how good it turned out. I really hope you guys like it too, and I really hope you all are gonna have a beautiful Valentine's Day. I am so excited about just being back and filming some makeup videos, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope some of you might try it out, and I hope you all have a amazing Valentine's Day. Let me know what are your plans for this Valentine's Day in the comment section below. I love you all so freaking much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. It was my pleasure to be here and do this makeup look. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this look, and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.